My favorite clothes are simple, comfortable, and easy to wear. I like wearing a t-shirt and jeans because they make me feel relaxed and confident. These clothes are perfect for my daily activities, such as going to school, meeting friends, or staying at home. My favorite t-shirt is soft and light, so it is very comfortable, especially in hot weather. It is usually blue or white, which are my favorite colors. My jeans are strong and fit well, so I can move easily when I walk or play. When I wear these clothes, I feel free and happy. I like simple styles because they look clean and nice. I do not like very heavy or uncomfortable clothes. I believe clothes should make us feel good, not uncomfortable. When I feel comfortable, I can focus better on my studies and enjoy my day. Sometimes I wear different clothes for special occasions, such as family events or celebrations. However, I always return to my favorite clothes because they are easy and practical. They are also easy to match with other items, like shoes or jackets. My favorite clothes also show my personality. I like to be simple, calm, and relaxed. My style is not too fancy, but it is neat and clean. I always try to keep my clothes tidy and in good condition. In the future, I want to learn more about fashion and choose clothes that fit me well. I believe wearing the right clothes can make us feel more confident and comfortable. My favorite clothes are not expensive, but they are perfect for me. They make me feel comfortable, confident, and ready for any day.